Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I sketched this out and I'm going to transfer this design onto the OEM front bumper. Now I am working with a very limited amount of time, so let's get started. So the FRS is already propped up, and that's because I'm going to be removing this bumper because I got a brand new bumper that I'm going to be using for this project. Instructions are pretty clear. Unwrap, cut open the plastic, apply heat with the heat gun if I have one, and then it'll take about 3 to 5 hours to unfold. Typically when you let it sit out, it'll probably take way less than that, so we'll see. But major shout out to Fit Parts for sending over this bumper. Already getting its natural shape, and there's like certain crease points in here that when, for example, like here, it starts to like literally raise on its own. So it's like certain crease points where you can just hit it with the heat directly and then it starts like expanding, so it takes like that natural bumper shape, you know. It's pretty cool. Well, I've never done this, so it's pretty interesting. That came out super great. Look at that. Oh, nice. Okay, now it's time to remove this one. So the front bumper is done, the FRS is done, and I already took out the grills from the OEM bumper, and I just have to prep those, clean those up a bit. But I actually got the last item that I needed right now, which was ta-da, the vinyl wrap. Because how cool would it be if the headlights and the fog lights are green? They're so gonna match my costume. I'm so excited. I think that's enough. Part one prepped, just gotta sand off at least some of that oxidation on the light, and then I'm gonna use this rapid tack to like clean it off. Now, I don't know if this is going to be enough for both, but I'm gonna try to make it work. I think, yeah, it should be enough for both. This is enough for one, and then we have the... Oh my god. It almost looks brand new. it really is not that great of a job, but at least I tried. Rise and shine, guys. So this is how much I was able to finish last night. I wrapped some of the hood, and then the front bumper I just kind of came up with this little design here, but that's about all I have done, and I'm going to finish the rest. Mom to help me out for this part, because this part is going to be a little difficult for me to just do it on my own. I'm going to set this here. Let me see. Cada uno se lo va a meter aquí. Mira así. Uno. Uno. Well, I tried my best to turn that spot green, because then it really ties it into the costume. But yeah, that's about it. That's kind of, I'm gonna add a couple more green lines, but I gotta get to work, so I gotta put my car down and go. Babanin! Babanin! Okay, so couple more hours and it's reveal time. All right guys, so it is the 31st. I just got off of work and it is pretty late, but I am ready to get into my costume. All right guys, so are you ready to see the full reveal with my costume? And of course you already seen the wrap, but hold it. Shego.
Ooh, nice.
First, you guys want to see what my nephew is?
No, no good sense.
Put your mask on, put your mask on. Put your mask on.
Excuse me.
And then be next to the car.
Maybe?
Go ahead.
You guys want one?
No. Go ahead, get next to the car. Get next to the car. Michael Myers. No. Take out your knife. Oh, Jujubee. Halloween is officially over, guys, but I don't think it would be right to finish this video without a little driving experience in my FRS, especially since I think the wrap came out pretty cool. Simple, but it's pretty cool. So I'm here in Turnbull Canyon in Whittier, and we're gonna go for a ride. Let's go. Can't reach the pedals so well, so I'm gonna go a little bit forward. So I'm on first. We're gonna exit out. There's a lot of bikers here in the morning, so we're gonna be very careful with not scaring them, at least. And safety. Safety is very important, especially here. Miles per hour. I'm gonna shift to second. This is so cool. This is cool. This is beautiful. I haven't done this in so long. Oh my god! I haven't done this in so long, but it's really nice. I am going 30 miles per hour, guys, and the street speed limit signs say 30 miles per hour, so it just feels kind of fast because it's a FRS and it's pretty rowdy, but this is so fun. Oh my god, it's been so long since I've done this. This feels amazing. This is why I love the FRS, because the FRS fucking handles like so well. So well. It's like incredible how good it handles. Oh man, this is beautiful. This is a sharp turn, so I'm gonna slow it down a bit. I didn't have a chance to downshift, so I put it on neutral. We're gonna go back to second. We're gonna go around these little loops. This is so fun. Oh man, this is so fun. Okay. This loop is crazy. That was an intense loop. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Oh, I have to show you guys this. This is so beautiful. Let's go. Look at this view, guys. Look at how beautiful this looks. Oh, wow. Look at that. Look at how beautiful this looks. Oh my god, this is so amazing. Wow. This feels so great to be here and to be doing this right now, because I haven't done this in so long, and this is really nice. This is gorgeous. Look at this. Oh my god. So this is where I'm going to end all the fun. I want to thank you guys so much for being part of this beautiful drive experience and seeing how this project unfolded from the beginning up until today at this point. And definitely will stay tuned for the next video. And thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.